Charlie's like, hey. Where the fuck did Monday go? Oh, here it is. So, I find it so hilarious that Target Karen, otherwise known as Melissa fucking Rainbows. This shit's over, this shit's over, this shit's over. You know, her fucking tirade at Target. She pulled all the masks down, and then when the police arrived at her home to arrest her, she name dropped Trump, who promptly donned a mask after the story broke. How does that make you feel? Melissa Rainbow Sprinkles, how does that make you feel? I guess that shit's not over. Another thing too, you know what, I heard that there are no birds in China right now. The birds have all left. He keeps his eye on the sparrow. Birds know things before we do. It's like, I really feel like God tells the birds what's going to happen before he lets anyone else know. He keeps his eye on the sparrow. There's another verse pertaining to birds. It says, why are you worried about what you're going to wear and what you're going to eat? I'm paraphrasing, obviously. Do the birds worry about what they're going to wear, what they're going to eat? If I care so much for those little birds, how much do you think I care for you? God loves all animals, all creatures, birds. Maybe not snakes so much. I don't think he's really, in love with snakes, but I don't know. I can't speak for him. If the birds have left, so should you. If the birds have left China, so should you. Pay attention to nature. Nature is always telling us things, and most of us ignore it. That's that. That's your hood news at 10:46 a.m.